In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the Chrome PDF viewer in just a few easy steps. Disabling Chrome's built-in PDF viewer allows you to use your preferred PDF reader for enhanced feature and better compatibility, and ensures PDFs download directly for offline access. So let's start the video. First, open up your Google Chrome browser. Now click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner to open the Chrome menu. Now scroll down and click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on Privacy and Security tab on the left sidebar. Here you will see a list of options. Click on Site Settings. Now scroll down and under Content section, click on Additional Content Settings. Now click on PDF Documents. Here under Default Behavior, select the option that says Download PDFs. Currently Open PDF in Chrome is selected, so click on Download PDFs. This will disable the built-in PDF viewer and prompt Chrome to download PDFs instead of opening them. Now if we click on some sample PDF link, you can see the PDF downloading instead of opening in Chrome. So that's it, you have successfully disabled Chrome's built-in PDF viewer. Thanks for watching.